Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix controller gamepad not working in Metaphor ReFantazio on PC. So first step is to restart the game. So simply close the game, restart your PC if you want, or you can just restart the game. Close the game, open the game, and that's it. Second step, connect the controller before opening the game. So as it says, connect the controller before launching the game. Next step is enable disable input. Simply go to the properties of the game, click on controller, and this time enable Steam Endpoint or disable Steam Endpoint. Next is disconnect and reconnect controllers. Simply remove or unplug the controllers and plug it again, and that's basically it.